Hello, good evening, friend. Now we have one NCRT problem from the D block elements. So let's see what the problem is all about. The problem they have given, it's a very simple problem based on the color. So question they are saying, predict which of the following will be the colored in aqueous solution. Okay, so we have to see that is which are the colorful in the aqueous solution. Dear friend, when you are going to predict the color, so what I told you, that is the for colored, some conditions are there for color compound formation. There is some condition. Firstly, if unpaired electron, okay, for to be colored, okay, to be colored, up to be colored, what we need, student, to be colored, that is first case, that is unpaired electron required, unpaired, okay, unpaired electron. This is the condition, that is to be colored any compound, unpaired electron required. And then if unpaired electron is there in the, when you are talking about D block element, D block, so D block element when you are talking, so the color is due to DD transition, okay, due to DD transition, okay, due to DD transition. Ab unpaired, what can be the unpaired, student, that is D1 to D9. If this type of configuration is there, D1 to D9, that will be the, always it will be the colored, okay. And what are the, if no unpaired, colorless, if you talk about colorless, so what would be the colorless, student? The colorless means either no electron, either no electron. So first case is either no electron, okay, or second case all paired electron, all paired electron. So paired electron. So if these consider are being fulfilled, so that is compound will be what, student? That is colorless. What configuration, student? So that is if this is the D0 configuration, okay, if it is D0 configuration, or what configuration is also possible, student? D0 to D10. So either D0 or D10, this will be always the colorless. Now we'll go and we'll see that is one by one, that is what would be the colorless compound and what would be the color. So predict which of the following will be colored. They are asking in aqueous solution. Aqueous solution means there the ligand will be the water, okay, H2O. So let us see that is how can we find. So first option they have given, student, the very first option is titanium. So if you take that is titanium, student, Ti, a T type, a Ti, when you are talking about atomic number, is scandium, okay, titanium, vanadium, chromium, okay, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, okay, nickel, okay, cobalt. Then here is I am writing nickel, copper and zinc. These are there. What is atomic number? Here is, this is the 21, 22, 23, 24, this is 25, this is 26, this is 27, and what is there, 28, 29 and 30. This is the configuration. Now when you are going titanium, student, so titanium, how much atomic number is there? 22, okay. So 22, so what is configuration, student? So directly you can write 3d2 and what is 4s2, 3d2 4s2. This is the titanium configuration. And what is there, actually they have given Ti3 plus. So when you are talking about Ti3 plus, student, 3i3 plus means 3 electron will go, 3 electron is going 2 here and 1 here. So what configuration it will left, student? 3d1. When you are talking about 3d1, student, you check that is how many unpaired electron is there. There is one unpaired electron. So one unpaired electron is there, one unpaired. Since one unpaired electron is there, student, so what will happen? DD transition is possible, DD transition possible. DD transition possible, student, so what will be there? That is the unpaired electron means the compound will be what, student? Colored, okay. So first option is titanium is Ti3 plus is what is, student? That is we got, that is this is the colored, okay. So one number option we check. Now you check that is another. What is the other number? If you are going other is they have given vanadium. Vanadium, if you check there, student, there is the vanadium is how much? Vanadium atomic number is 23. So 23 directly atomic number, student. What you can write 3d3 and 4s2. Up see what charge they have given, student. 3d vanadium is there, 3 plus is there. 3 positive charge means vanadium when you are going 3 positive, student. 2 electron from here, 1 electron from here. So what will configuration? 3d2. And d orbital is how many type, student? That is 5 times. So you see 1 2 3 4 5. So how many unpaired electron, student? 2 unpaired electron. So 2 unpaired electron. Up since it is having 2 unpaired electron, so it is what is being, student, it will be the colorful. It is the colorful. Up now next one option you see the, student. So that is when you talking about vanadium 3 plus, it is also the what is, student? Color. So titanium and vanadium 3 plus is colored. Next one, what the option is there next, student? If you check the next option is copper plus is there. Let us check the copper plus. So copper plus, when you are talking copper plus, so firstly you check the copper, student. So copper is 29. Here is copper, I wrote 29. So what is configuration, student? Copper exceptional and configuration 3d10 and 4s1. Okay, this is the copper. When you are copper plus, they have given, student, copper plus. So what will this 1 electron will lose? So what will configuration will come? 3d10. And in case of 3d10, student, you check how many electron are there. So here is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 electron is there, student. How many electron? 10 electron is there. So 10 electron is there. All are paired. All are paired. All are paired means, student, that is all are paired means what is? That is colorless. Colorless. So dear student, one option we got. This is Cu. What option they have given? Cu plus is colorless. Colorless. This is Cu plus is colorless. This is the or one option. Now let us move for the another, student. After copper, let us go another option. What is there? Scandium 3 plus. Ab scandium, when you are going, student, scandium atomic number 21. So 21 is there. So what will come, student? Here is 3d1 and 4s2. 3d1 4s2. This is the scandium. Up how much positive? 3 positive. So scandium 3 positive if you go, student. So all 3 electron will last means 3d0. Up 3d0, student, you check here 1 2 3 4. So here is no electron. So no electron means no unpaired. No unpaired. No electron means no unpaired electron. No unpaired electron is colorless. Colorless. So here is scandium is also, student, that is colorless. Colorless. Now you check the for other option. Two options we got, that is 2 are the colorless. What is the other is, student? Mn2 plus. So Mn, firstly you see Mn atomic number how much is, student? 25. Mn is 25 they have given. Configuration 3d5 and 4s2. Okay. Mn2 plus is there. So when you are talking about Mn2 plus, so 2 electron will go this one, 2 electron. So what will come, student? 3d5. 3d5 student, it means 1 2 3 4. So 3d5 student, it means what will happen, student? In case of 3d5 student, so in case of 3d5, so how many unpaired electron? 1 2 3 4 5. So this is 5 unpaired electron. How many unpaired electron, student? 5 unpaired electron. So it is also will be what, student? This will be also colored. If you talk about that is Fe2 Fe is, student, Fe is 26, student. Okay, let us erase and then try to explain, otherwise the small board it can not be possible to represent. So when you are talking, student, Fe, so it is 26. So it is 3d, what is, student? 3d6 and 4s2. This is configuration. What is given in the question? Fe2 plus. Fe2 plus when you are talking, student, so how much it will come? 3d6 and 4s2 electron will be lost. 3d6 means what, student? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 electron, 2 3 4 5, and this is 6 electron. So total unpaired electron how many? 4. So that is 4 unpaired electron. 4 unpaired electron. A 4 unpaired electron means this compound will be what, student? Colored. Okay, so this will be also colored. Now let us just last one, cobalt, student. What is there? Okay, cobalt. So when you are talking about cobalt, student, cobalt atomic number how much, student? That is 27. So here is 27. So configuration what is, student? 3d7 4s2. Up 3d7 of cobalt, what the charge they are saying? Cobalt 2 plus. Cobalt 2 plus, students, means 2s electron will go. So what will 3d7 of 3d7, student, means what will come? 1 2 3 4. So let us count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So how many unpaired electron? 3 unpaired electron. So 3 unpaired electron, 3 unpaired electron, 3 unpaired electron is there. So this compound will be also what, student? This also will be colored. Okay, so there are only 2 are colorless, student. That is what is colorless? Scandium and copper is the colorless. So now you write, they are saying that is predict which of the following is colored. So colored are what, student? Colored, if you talk about colored, so which are the option? Colored. So titanium 3 plus, vanadium 3 plus, and then copper, scandium of colorless, Mn 2 plus, Fe how much? 2 plus, and Co 2 plus. If we talk about colorless, student, what is the colorless if you talk about? So what are the colorless, student? This is the copper plus is there and scandium 3 plus. So this is our correct answer, student. You can keep note of this. Thank you so much for watching, friends.